Yeah. How'd you know it was here? You know, you must be smoking some real fucked up shit to think you could have even got away with this. So tell me, how'd you know where to find it? You're not doing yourself any favors.
Is he still talking?
Going to die.
So I bet you're wondering who I am and how I ended up in this precarious predicament. Let's rewind. Good evening, ladies. And what do we have in the hat? A magic trick. Now I know what you're thinking, but before you assume that I'm a thief, I'm actually a locksmith. You know, someone who's good at opening locks. And I'm pretty good at it. In fact, there isn't a lock that I can't fix. But the thing is, it pays shit. Hence why I've decided to use my skills to open up more prolific doors of opportunity. Turns out, locks aren't the only thing I'm good at unlocking. If you know what I mean. This, however, this is my retirement plan. Meet John Taloni, ruthless mogul and corporate tyrant. This guy basically writes the president's paycheck.
I want it locked down tighter than a duck's ass.
This gives me access to any of his offshore accounts. Like I said, my retirement plan. Oh. Hey. So the bathroom is not in there, if you guys were... No. All right. Yeah, interesting debacle we have here. What's that?
They're headed down the maintenance tunnel.
Alright, guys, hold on. Alright. Can we just not hit the face? Can we just not the... Oh! Just sitting up the face. Oh, wait, get him! Not the face! Like I said, I could unlock anything. Turns out, I just unlocked Pandora's Box.
Is this a piece of shit you're trying to steal from me? You look like hell, man. You know what we do to fuckers like you? We skin them. There you go, boss.
Oh boy.
It's still dirty from last time. Anything to clean it with? Yeah.
See, the thing about Houdini was, no one could understand how he did what he did. I guess that's what makes me the Houdini of locks. Amateurs. Putting a lock on a locksmith?